Yo guys, what's up? Today is Monday, the 27th of October. The new week, the first week where we starting our new 5K challenge, propfirm from Maven. So today we copped the account, we bought it, a 5K challenge. Last week we were just testing out our edge, seeing if it could work. And this week there was barely any probable trades, but we did manage to catch a German 30 trade, which kind of ran up to a 2R. We're still aiming for 3, but then we kind of broke even on that trade. And seeing as that there was no volume for the day, we accepted the W. So from here on, we're still going to try our best to repeat the same process day in and day out until we get our first payout. So let's break down the German 30 trade. So this is the German 30, excuse me, full look. Around these areas where we were trying to trade is where we saw that there was a lot of volume. And usually where there's a lot of volume is where you would find that market gets just a bit choppy. So we were still expecting pushes to the upside, strong pushes to the upside. And as you can see, it came back down. We're aiming for a 1 to 3, 1 to 2, 5 ratio at least. But as you can see, German 30 ended up pulling back, which was no bug, but we were expecting it to bounce off of the resistance, then continue moving forward, So it needed to bounce on the support and the resistance between these zones for me to understand if it was going to continue moving or not. But as you can see, it broke down. Give it a little bit of wiggle room just in case it wanted to wick us out, but then it was still fine. So then we wanted this little bounce, then a push up. That's what we were expecting. But seeing as that the market was choppy for the day, you take the little win that you can get. Other than that, this was the breakdown of German 30. As you can see, guys, we did send the signal out to our VIP members. We did send out the TPs and everything, including the break even, which it ended up hitting. But yeah, guys, that's how the day goes. At least we did get a low break even. So this was the little German 30 trade that we took. And if you guys are trading and you would have seen that the market was choppy today. But the little, I think it was $57 that we ended up breaking even on, was at least a 1% less that we need to achieve to pass phase 1, because phase 2 is honestly easy. Phase 1 is always the one thing that you have to worry about. But tomorrow we'll see if there are opportunities, and the more that I keep posting and the more that you guys watch, the more I'll start breaking these trades down even more in depth if I pass, because then I know what I'm talking about. So I will check you guys on the next video tomorrow, the 28th of October. Hopefully there'll be better trades, and then just accelerate our way to the payout. Until then, guys, just wait for the next video. Happy trading.